I'd crossed my mind. I'd crossed my mind. I'd crossed my mind.
Could you tell me what he said? It crossed my mind. Let's suppose you're trying to say that a thought happened to you. For example, you briefly thought about calling an old friend. If you say it crossed my mind, it means a thought or idea occurred to you briefly, you remembered or considered something for a moment.
Really wimped out, man. Really wimped out, man. Really wimped out, man.
Could you tell me what he said? You really wimped out, man. Suppose your friend promised to do something brave, like jump off a diving board, ask someone out, or stand up to a bully, but at the last minute, he gets scared and backs out. You can say, you really wimped out, man. It means you gave up or lost courage when it was time to act. Here, wimped out means to lose courage or back down because of fear or nervousness. It's a casual way to tease someone for not doing something they said they would. This phrase is informal and slightly teasing, often said between friends jokingly, but it can sound insulting if said seriously.
That was genius, Lloyd. Sheer genius. That was genius, Lloyd. Sheer genius. That was genius, Lloyd. Sheer genius.
Could you tell me what he said? That was genius, sheer genius. Let's suppose your friend just came up with a brilliant idea or clever solution, like fixing a big problem or making a smart move that surprises everyone. You react with amazement and say, that was genius, sheer genius. It means that was incredibly smart or brilliant, absolutely genius. Here, sheer genius means pure, complete brilliance. You're emphasizing how smart or creative the action was. It's a strong compliment. This phrase is enthusiastic and positive, often used to praise someone's quick thinking, creativity, or perfect idea.
Hurry, pitching it. Hurry, pitching it. Hurry, pitching it.
Could you tell me what he said? Hurry, I'm pitching it. Let's suppose you're in a meeting or on a call, and you're about to present an idea, plan, or project to someone, maybe your boss or a client. You want someone to quickly help you, so you say, hurry, I'm pitching it. It means I'm presenting my idea right now, hurry up, I'm in the middle of explaining it. Here, pitching it means presenting or selling an idea, trying to convince others it's good. It's often used in business, marketing, or creative work.
Killer boots, man! Killer boots, man! Killer boots, man!
Could you tell me what he said? Cool your boots, man. Imagine a heated argument, one guy gets angry, starts shouting, maybe even steps forward like he's ready to fight. His friend steps in and says, cool your boots, man. It means calm down, man, or take it easy. Here, he's telling him to calm down, relax, and stop overreacting. The word boots refers to his feet, as if saying stop moving aggressively or don't rush into action.
Tic-tac, sir. Tic-tac, sir. Tic-tac, sir.
Could you tell me what he said? Tic-tac, sir. Imagine a situation in a military camp or a formal setting. A soldier or assistant says tic-tac, sir, when reminding someone that it's time to move quickly or stay alert. The phrase mimics the sound of a clock, tick-tock, symbolizing urgency, discipline, or timing. It's like saying, time's up, sir, or let's move, sir. It means hurry up or be quick, time is running out. It's often used figuratively to remind someone to stay sharp or get moving fast.
Oh, that pisses me off. Oh, that pisses me off. Oh, that pisses me off.
Could you tell me what he said? That pisses me off. Let's say your friend keeps canceling plans at the last minute, or someone scratches your new car, you'd feel angry and frustrated. In that moment, you might say, that pisses me off. It means, that makes me very angry or irritated. It's a strong informal phrase used when something really annoys or angers you, so use it only with friends or in informal settings, never in formal or professional talk.
So I'm just gonna head out, catch a flick. So I'm just gonna head out, catch a flick. So I'm just gonna head out, catch a flick.
Could you tell me what he said? I'm just gonna head out, catch a flick. Let's suppose it's a Friday evening, you've finished work, feeling bored, and want to relax. You tell your friend, I'm just gonna head out, catch a flick. It means I'm going out to watch a film. Here, head out means to leave or go somewhere, and catch a flick means to go see a movie. So, together it sounds very natural and casual, like you're saying, I'm going out to watch a movie.
Hey, Harry, old buddy, old pal! Hey, Harry, old buddy, old pal! Hey, Harry, old buddy, old pal!
Could you tell me what he said? Old buddy, old pal. Let's suppose you meet a friend you haven't seen in years, maybe from school or an old job. You greet them warmly and say, old buddy, old pal. It means my old friend. Here, both buddy and pal mean friend. Using them together makes the greeting sound friendly, nostalgic, and playful. It shows affection or a long friendship. It means my old friend.
'Cause you're a regular guy. 'Cause you're a regular guy. 'Cause you're a regular guy.
Could you tell me what he said? You are a regular guy. Let's suppose someone is simple, down to earth, and doesn't act proud or fancy, like a person who treats everyone equally and lives a normal, humble life. You can say, you're a regular guy. It means you're an ordinary, easygoing, and likable person, not fake or arrogant. Here, regular doesn't mean boring, it means normal, friendly, and genuine. It is often used as a compliment to show respect for someone's simplicity. You can also say it about yourself. I'm just a regular guy trying to make a living. You say it about your friend, he's not famous or rich, just a regular guy.
Big goof, big goof, big goof.
Could you tell me what he said? You big goof. Let's suppose your friend accidentally spills coffee on himself or does something silly but harmless, you laugh and say, you big goof. It means you silly or goofy person, usually said in a friendly or teasing way, not as an insult. Here, goof means a funny or clumsy person who makes innocent mistakes. Adding big makes it sound more playful or affectionate, but tone matters. If you say it lightly or laughing, it sounds caring or funny. If said angrily, it can sound like mild scolding, but it's still not very harsh.
Don't push me.
Don't push it. Don't push it.
Could you tell me what he said? Don't push me. It means stop provoking or pressuring me, I'm about to lose my temper. Here, push doesn't always mean physically. It usually means don't test my patience or make me lose control. Can be said seriously when someone is being too aggressive or also used figuratively to warn someone that they're crossing a line.
Oh, milk her for every penny. Oh, milk her for every penny. Oh, milk her for every penny.
Could you tell me what she said? Milk her for every penny. Let's suppose someone is dating or dealing with a rich woman and tries to get as much money or benefit from her as possible. You might hear someone say, milk her for every penny. It means to take all the money or benefits you can from someone, often in a selfish or unfair way. Here, milk is used figuratively, meaning to take full advantage of someone or something, just like milking a cow for all its milk.
You're allowed to look like slobs. You're allowed to look like slobs. You're allowed to look like slobs.
Could you tell me what she said? You're allowed to look like slob. Let's suppose a teacher or coach tells a group of students they don't need to dress neatly for an activity, maybe it's cleaning day or sports practice. The teacher might say, you're allowed to look like slobs. It means it's acceptable to be messy or not well dressed in this situation. Here, slobs means messy or untidy people. So the speaker is saying it's okay to look a bit dirty or careless in appearance for now.
A crock of shit. A crock of shit. A crock of shit.
Could you tell me what he said? What a crock of shit. Let's suppose someone tells you a story or excuse that sounds totally fake or ridiculous. For example, a coworker says, I was late because my dog locked me out. You don't believe it and say, what a crock of shit. It means that's total nonsense or a complete lie. Here, crock is short for crock, which means nonsense or a lie. The phrase is a rude, slang way to say something is completely untrue or stupid.
You're out of your mind. You're out of your mind. You're out of your mind.
Could you tell me what he said? You are out of your mind. Let's suppose your friend says something completely crazy, like quitting their job to live in the jungle with no plan. You might respond, you are out of your mind. It means you're acting or thinking in a completely irrational or crazy way. Here, it's not literal. You're not saying they're mentally ill, it's a figurative way of saying their idea is wild, unreasonable, or unbelievable.
I beg your pardon? I beg your pardon? I beg your pardon?
Could you tell me what she said? I beg your pardon. Let's suppose you didn't hear what someone said clearly, or you want them to repeat it politely, you can say, I beg your pardon. Its meaning is excuse me or please repeat that, and sometimes what did you just say? When used with surprise, it's a formal and polite way to ask someone to repeat themselves. But in another situation, if someone says something rude or surprising, you might also say it, with a shocked or offended tone, to show disbelief or mild anger like spoken in the sentence I beg your pardon? Did you just call me lazy?
Back off, monkey boy. Back off, asshole. Back off, asshole.
Could you tell me what he said? Back off. Let's suppose someone is standing too close, arguing, or getting aggressive, you feel uncomfortable and want them to stop. You can say, right, back off. It means stay away or stop interfering. Here, back off means move away or stop bothering me. It's a clear warning to give space, physically or emotionally as in this sentence, you need to back off and let me handle this.
Move it or lose it, sister! Move it or lose it, sister! Move it or lose it, sister!
Could you tell me what he said? Move it or lose it. Let's suppose you're stuck behind someone walking slowly in a hallway or blocking your way on the road, you shout, move it or lose it. It means hurry up or step aside before it's too late. Here, move it means hurry up or get out of the way, and lose it is a playful warning meaning you'll lose your chance or your spot if you don't move. It's often said jokingly but can sound impatient too.
We sure as hell better find out. We sure as hell better find out. We
You sure as hell better find out.
Could you tell me what he said? Be sure as hell better find out. Let's suppose your boss is angry because something went wrong, maybe money is missing or a mistake happened. He says to the employee, you be sure as hell better find out who did this. It means you must definitely find out, there's no option to ignore it. Here, be sure as hell is a strong, emotional way to emphasize seriousness. It adds force to the command, better find out, meaning you absolutely must find out, no excuses. If this video has taught you something new, please like and subscribe.